All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received verbal data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, but not a fluent speaking English.
As long as you can communicate with your employer, is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, there is no point of coming here because you don't know how to communicate with the employer. Better stay in the Philippines. All right? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any
100%.
friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I definitely healthy.
All right. So do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Do you have
sorry.
tattoos in your skin? Tattoo.
Tattoo. Yes, ma'am. I have.
In which
I
part of
have.
your body?
On my left leg.
All right. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. This is second.
All right. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I heard that Malaysia is a safe country for OFW like me.
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Edita Bais, 39 years old, and I am married. I have two children, one boy, he is 20 years old, and one girl, she is 7 years old. My my birthday is on February 4, 1987, and I live in Nueva Ecija, Philippines.
All
I
right.
am, and my religion is Catholic.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first, Edita. How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 42 years old, and he is a meat vendor.
Vendor. All right. So what is your height and your weight?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 53, then my height is 5'1", 158 centimeter.
All right. So what is your educational background?
Secondary undergrad.
So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister-in-law and her family.
Okay. So what about you? How many brother and sister do you have?
My brother and sister is far away from my home.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have I have six brothers, ma'am, and then two sisters.
All right. So what is your rank in your family?
I am the firstborn, ma'am.
You are the eldest. All right. So what about your parents?
My parent is my parent is 60 years old, my father.
Okay.
Then he is a farmer.
All right. What about your mother?
My mother is 53 years old and she is also a farmer.
Okay. So your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
You
No, no.
mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. So in which country do you have your first working experience as an OFW?
I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a domestic helper.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
And started my contract in May 15, 2023 to May 17, 2025.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
My duties and responsibilities there is included cooking, doing laundry, then ironing, cleaning their house, preparing the baby, preparing the kids for school, bathing, and feeding the 3-year-old.
All right. So you take care of one kid only, which is 3 years
No,
old.
no, four kids,
Okay. How
full
old are
four
those
children.
children?
The eldest 12, 9, 8, and the last one is 3-year-old.
All right. So, of course, you finished your 2 years contract. What happened? Why you didn't renew your contract to your previous employment in KSA?
I decided to not to return to my previous employer due to personal reasons. And because their house is so, I think there's no neighbors.
Oh, is it
I felt,
in the province? Their area is in the province?
ma'am, it was located on the desert.
Oh, oh, right, desert. All right, okay. So you know that Middle East and Malaysia is quite different. I don't want later that you are going to compare Malaysia and KSA. Every employer's got different rules and regulations, all right? And I would
Yes,
like
ma'am.
to let you know that you need to do multitasking. You need to be flexible once you work here in Malaysia. Okay? You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Ma'am, I don't have a experience for that, but I'm willing to.
All right. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I don't also still I don't have experience, but I'm still I can learn for it.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in KSA. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency as well will force you to come and work here in Malaysia. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You
That's,
can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to
yes,
stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulation?
yes, ma'am. I'm okay, and I understand.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, we can be the boss, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. All right. So normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I
I
will.
mean, how do you handle? Like for example, if you feel homesickness, how do you handle your homesick?
I for me, I will focus to my work and then think about the reasons why I am working far away
All right.
because I.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Edita. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected in WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so
Thank you.
much and